Bright kids. Let's write the letter A.
Hey kids, now we're going to write the letter A, as in ant.
Ant.
You'll need a practice sheet and a pencil. Go to our website to download a free practice sheet. First, we'll write the capital A. That's the big A. Start at the top and make a line down. Go back to the top and make another line down. Now, go to the middle and make a line across. Let's try it again. Down, down, across. Now you try. Now, check if you did it right. Great job! Now we're going to write the lowercase a. That's the small a. Start in the middle and go all the way around. Next, go up and then down. Let's try it again. Around, up, and down. Now you try. Now, check if you did it right. Well done! Now you know how to write the letter A. Next time, we'll write the letter B. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time!
Natty TV. Bright kids.